Imagine walking on Mars. No spacesuit, no oxygen tanks, just the red soil beneath your feet. And a blue sky above you. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if it's not? What if one day we actually transform Mars into a second Earth? Welcome to Tech Science Insights. Today's journey, terraforming Mars. When will we make the red planet habitable? Terraforming means making another planet like Earth, changing its air, temperature, water, and soil, making it safe for humans without a spacesuit. It's not just about surviving. It's about truly living on Mars. The problems with Mars is a tough place. It's freezing. The air is toxic. There's no magnetic field, and no breathable oxygen. If Earth is a cozy home, Mars is a frozen desert with deadly air. But scientists believe we can change that. How do we start terraforming? Step 1. Warm it up. We could release greenhouse gases on Mars. Yes, global warming on purpose. This would melt the ice caps, which releases CO2, which traps heat, which melts more ice. A chain reaction. It's like starting a small fire to warm an entire planet, creating an atmosphere. Mars's air is 95% carbon dioxide, but it's too thin to breathe, so we need to thicken the atmosphere. That means melting dry ice, releasing underground gases, possibly even using massive orbiting mirrors. Yes, space mirrors. To focus sunlight onto Mars, bringing water to Mars. We need rivers, lakes, and rain. Some water already exists as ice. If we heat it up, we get vapor. More vapor equals more clouds equals more rain. Some ideas even include redirecting icy comets to crash into Mars. Wild? Yes. Possible? Also yes. Once Mars is warmer and wetter, we introduce microbes that can survive harsh conditions. They release oxygen. Over time, we plant moss, then grass, then forests. Imagine a green Mars. Not red, but Earth-like. While terraforming takes centuries, we'll start by building domed cities. Inside these domes, we can control air, temperature, and gravity. Humans could live and work. While the planet slowly transforms, we won't terraform Mars alone. AI-controlled machines will do the heavy lifting. Build infrastructure, monitor the environment, run complex simulations. They'll work nonstop. No food, no rest. The ultimate terraformers. Who's working on this now? Elon Musk's SpaceX wants to colonize Mars. NASA is testing Mars habitats. China and the UAE also have Mars plans. Private companies plus governments equals a race to terraform. And the countdown has already begun. Is terraforming dangerous? Changing a planet is risky. One mistake and Mars could become more hostile. Also, what if Mars already has life? Do we have the right to change it? The ethics of terraforming are still debated. It's not just science. It's a moral question too. When could it actually happen? Terraforming isn't a 10-year plan. It might take hundreds or even thousands of years, but we could see the first small steps in our lifetime. First Mars base. By 2035, first domed city, 2050. Terraforming experiments, 2,100 plus. The future isn't that far away. What if it works? If we succeed, Mars won't just be a place we visit. It'll be a place where babies are born, where cities grow, where dreams expand beyond Earth. A second chance for humanity. A backup Earth. If you could move to Mars in 2080, would you go? Would you leave everything behind? For a new world full of unknowns? Terraforming Mars is the greatest adventure humanity may ever take. It's bold, it's massive, it's risky, but it's also the next step for a species that refuse to stay on one planet. And who knows? Maybe your great-grandkids will call Mars their home.